Hello, today my topic is matrix and its applications. My name is Motamira and my roll number is 33 and my topic is matrix and its applications. Content, background of the study, what is matrix, basic, type of a matrices, linear system of algebraic equation, matrix in physics, matrix in computer science, application of matrices in real life and matrix in other sector. Background of the study: matrix, a set of numbers arranged in row and columns so as to form a rectangular area. The numbers are called the elements or entries of the matrix. Matrices have wide application in engineering, physics, economic and statistics as well as in various branches of mathematics. Historically, it was not the matrix but a certain number associated with a square area of numbers called the determinant that was first recognized. Only gradually did the idea of the matrix as an algebraic entity emerge. The term matrix was introduced by the 19th century English mathematician James Sylvester, but it was his friend, the mathematician Ruther Cayley, who developed the algebraic aspect of the matrices in two papers in 1850s. Cayley first applied them to the study of system of linear equations, where they are still very useful. They are also important because, as Cayley recognized, certain sets of matrices form algebraic system in which many of the ordinary law of arithmetic, example the associative and distributive law, are valid, but in which other laws, which is commutative law, are not valid. Matrices have also come to have important application in computer graphics where they have been used to represent rotation and other transformations of images. What is matrix? Matrices are nothing but the rectangular arrangement of numbers, expressions, symbols which are arranged in columns and rows. The numbers present in the matrix are called as entities or entries. Matrices find many applications in scientific fields and apply the practical and real life problems as well, thus making an indispensable, indispensable concept of solving many practical problems. Basic properties of a matrices: a matrix is one or two dimensional area. A quantity is usually designated as a matrix by bold-face type A. The elements of a matrix are shown in square bracket. A equals to 2, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, 3, 0, 3 and 0.5, which is 3 cross 3 matrix. Then second, the dimension size of a matrix is defined by the number of rows and number of columns. Example, here 3 cross 3 matrix. A equals to 2, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, 3, 0, 3 and 0.5. Then second, B equals to 3, 5, minus 2, 1 and 0, 4, 10 and 3. An element of a matrix is usually written in lowercase with its row number and column numbers as subscripts. Here A equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Matrix operations: matrix addition, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, matrix multiplication, matrix transposition, finding the determinant of a matrix and matrix inverse. Matrix addition: matrix must be the same size of order to add it. Here A11, A12, A21, A22 plus B11, B12, B21 and B22. These two matrices are 2 cross 2 matrix. Therefore, its addition A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21 and A22 plus B22. Matrix addition is a commutative. Therefore, A plus B equals to B plus A. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. To multiply a matrix by a scalar, multiply each element by the scalar. Here we get scalar k. Therefore, k into a11, k a12, a21 and a22. Therefore, we get k into a11, k into a12, k into a21 and k into a22. We often use this fact to simplify the display of matrices with very large or very small values. Multiplication of matrices. To multiple two matrices together, the matrices must have compatible sizes. C equals to A cross B. This multiplication is possible only if the number of columns in A is the same as the number of rows in B. The rectangular matrix C will have the same number of rows as A and the same number of columns in B. Element ij of the product matrix is computed by multiplying each element of row I of the first matrix by the corresponding element of column j of the second matrix and summing the results. This is best illustration by example. Here we get example. Find C equals to A cross B. Here we get A equals to -4, 5, 0, 2, 0.5 and 3, and B equals to 3, 2, 2, -4 and 0, 1. Therefore, solution. Here we calculate A cross B. Therefore, we get answer -2, -28, 7 and 5. The general matrix multiplication is not commutative. Therefore, A cross B does not equals to B cross A. Transposition of a matrix. The transposition of a matrix by switching its row and columns. The transpose of a matrix is designated by a subscript T. Therefore, here we A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, A transpose equals to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3 and 6. Then type of matrices. First, row matrix. A matrix which has only one row and n numbers of columns called row matrix. Example 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 up to n. Then second, column matrix. A matrix which has only one column and n number of rows called column matrix. Here example 3, 5, 6, 7 up to n numbers. Then third, square matrix. A matrix which has equal number of rows and columns called square matrix. Here example which is square matrix 3, 5, 8, 0, 4, 8, -7, 7 and 5, which is m cross n matrix where m equals to n, that is the number of rows and columns are equal. Then fourth type, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a matrix in which all elements are a 0 except the diagonal elements. Therefore, here we get example 3, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0 and 0, 0, 7, which is m cross n. Here diagonal elements are non-zero numbers. Then second example 6, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0 and -7, which is m cross n. Then third example 1, 0, 0, 0, -4, 0, 0, 0 and -7, which is m cross n. Remark, diagonal matrix is a type of a square matrix. Then fifth, scalar matrix. It is type of a square matrix, but its all diagonal elements are exactly similar and remaining elements should be 0. Therefore, here example 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 0, 3, which is m cross n, where m equals to n, that is the number of rows and columns are equal. Then sixth type, unit matrix. A diagonal matrix which has all its diagonal elements as one called unit matrix. Remark, except the diagonal elements are elements should be 0. Therefore 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1, which is example of unit matrix. Then null matrix, a matrix whose all elements are a 0 called the null matrix or a 0 matrix. Therefore here all the entries of a matrix are a 0. Then symmetric matrix, a matrix which is equal to its transpose said to be a symmetric matrix. We can see that A equals to A transpose. Here A equals to 158, 531 and 81 minus 2, which is m cross n. Then skew symmetric matrix, a matrix which is equal to its negative of its transpose said to be a skew symmetric matrix. We can see that A equals to minus A transpose. Therefore here example, A equals to 0, 5 minus 8, minus 5, 0 minus 1 and 8, 1, 0, which is m cross n. Then lower triangular matrix. If all the elements below the diagonal are 0, then this type of matrix is called lower triangular matrix. Then upper triangular matrix. If all the elements above the diagonal are 0, then this type of matrix is called upper triangular matrix. Then identity matrix or unit matrix. A matrix is said to be an identity matrix if all the diagonal elements are 1 and remaining elements should be 0. Therefore here example of 2 cross 2 identity matrix. Therefore 1 0 and 0 1, and 3 cross 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, which is identity matrix. Then equal matrices, those matrices which has equal number of rows and as well as column, and all elements should be same said to be a equal matrix. Here look, 1 5 7 8 5 2 7 1 minus 1, which is 3 cross 3, and 1 5 7 6 5 2 and 7 1 minus 1, which is also 3 cross 3, are equal matrix. Then orthogonal matrix, and orthogonal matrix is one whose transpose is also its inverse. Therefore A transpose equals to A inverse. Then equivalence matrix, those matrices which has a equal number of rows and as well column, but not all elements are same said to be equivalence matrix. Here example, 1 5 7 7 4 12 7 0 minus 11, which is 3 cross 3, and then 1 5 7 8 5 2 and 7 1 minus 1, which is 3 cross 3. Here two matrix are a equivalence. Then determinant of matrix. The determinant of a square matrix is a scalar quantity that has some use of in matrix algebra. Finding the determinant of 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 matrices can be done relatively easily. Here A equals to A11, A12, A21 and A22. Therefore determinant of A equals to A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21. As well as in 3 cross 3 matrix, determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix equals to A11 into determinant of A22 and A23, A32 and A33 minus of A12 in determinant of A21, A23, A31 and A33 plus A13 and the determinant of A21, A22, A31 and A32. Then matrix rank. The rank of a matrix is simply the number of independent row vectors in the matrix or the number of non-zero rows in the matrix. The transpose of a matrix has the same rank as the original matrix. To find the rank of a matrix by hand, use Gaussian elimination and the linearly dependent row vectors will fall out, leaving only the linearly independent vectors, the number of which is the rank. Then the matrix inverse. The inverse of the matrix A is denoted by A inverse. By definition, A into A inverse equals to A inverse into A equals to I, where I is the identity matrix. Then theorem, the inverse of an n cross n matrix A exists if and only if the rank A equals to n. Then Gauss-Jordan elimination can be used to find the inverse of matrix by hand. Then the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Let A be an n cross n matrix and consider the vector equation A x equals to lambda x, a value of lambda for which this equation has a solution x does not equals to 0 is called an eigenvalue of the matrix A. The corresponding solution x are called the eigenvectors of the matrix A. Here A into x equals to lambda x. Therefore Ax minus lambda x equals to 0. Therefore A minus lambda I into x equals to 0. The eigenvalue are found by solving the above equation. Then matrix in physics. In physics related applications, matrices are applied in the study of electrical circuits, quantum mechanics, and optics. In the calculation of a battery power outputs, resistor conversion of electrical energy into another useful energy, these matrices play a major role in calculations, especially the solving the problems using Kirchhoff's law of voltage and current. The matrices are essential. Here, random matrix theory, quantum matrices. This is picture of, and this is the linear algebraic in physics, which is here A equals to n cross n matrix. Then matrix in computer science. In computer based applications, matrices play a vital role in the projection of a three-dimensional image into a two-dimensional screen, creating the realistic seeming motions. Eigenvector solves are used in the PageRank algorithm, which are used in the ranking of web pages in Google search. Then graphic software uses mathematics to process linear transformation in render images. Here this is picture. Then matrix in computer science. A matrix is a grid used to store or display data in a structured format. In computing, a matrix may be used to store a group of related data. For example, some programming languages support matrices as a data type of offers more flexibly than a static area. Matrix transforms are very useful within the world of a computer graphic. Software and hardware graphic processor uses matrices for performing operations such as scaling, transportation, riffling, and rotation. Then application of matrix in real life. Use in real life applications, finance, science, manufacturing, optimizing, etc. to solve linear system of equations. Here the practical example. Delta L air linear lines used linear programming based on matrix computations to solve its flight scheduling program. The problem is to match aircraft to flight legs and fill seats with paying passengers, thereby reducing the operating cost. Here the picture of Delta Airlines. Then matrix in other sector. In geology, matrices are used for taking seismic surveys. Matrices are used in representing the real world data like the trend of people's populations, habits, etc. In robotics and automation, matrices are the base elements for the robot movements, and matrices are used in many organizations such as the scientists for recording the data of their experiments. Here the picture of application of matrices, which is here I am explained here. Then the matrix in business. Matrices are one of the most commonly used tools in business. They are used in linear programming to determine the most profitable combinations of integrating in a product. They are also used extensively in the decision making problems. Then matrices in Google search. Stochastic matrices and eigenvectors solve in the PageRank algorithms, which are used in the ranking of the page of Google search. Thank you.